Hi friends, I'm Nikhil Tiwari, a student of National Institute of Industrial Engineering, that is NITI, Mumbai. I'm pursuing postgraduate diploma in industrial management, which is touted to be one of the best supply chain management courses in India. Today, I will talk about my present life and juxtapose it with my past experiences and emphasize on the differences that management has created in my life. Management is something that I wanted to do from times immemorial. The idea of management is not just about making money, it is also about making differences in your life. It is about having a fulfilling life, making differences in lives of people around you, and giving back to society that has given you a lot of good things. The irony of life is that when I was a student, I had no responsibilities, but I also lacked the right perspective. Once I started working, gradually I learned who I am, what my potentials are, but I was so burdened with work that I didn't get the chance to follow my passion. An MBA has given me a second chance in life to do what I always wanted to do. It gives me the independence of a student's life and at the same time a perspective of a working professional. During my professional career of 2.5 years, I realized that I was more suited for the business side of roles rather than the technical side. Now, through my work experience, I have understood the technical side of business in depth, and I would like to complement my technical knowledge with business knowledge so that I can succeed in business roles. The value addition that comes from studying in such a diverse batch is impeccable. Diversity in terms of number of years and domains of work experience. As they say that 60% of the learning in an MBA course comes from peers, and it is one really big thing to count on. Also, the networks that one forms over those 2 years in life is one thing to count on. Someone has rightly said that degree of success in professional career depends upon the degree of networking one does. At NITI, I am a student coordinator of Marketing Interest Group, a committee of marketing enthusiasts which organizes an event called Mahamandi, which is one of the biggest B school events in India. It is spearheaded by Dr. T. Prasad, who is known for his eccentric teaching methods and is much talked about across various B schools in India. If I talk about Mandi, Mandi is about learning how to make an impact. Mandi is about learning consumer behavior, and Mandi is about making social change to society of which we all are a part of. As a part of Mandi, we go out on the streets selling toys and books. These toys are often governed by the laws of physics. These toys and books are procured through an NGO, and all the proceedings of the event go back to the NGO, which is often more than a million of rupees. Thus, the two-pronged strategy of learning consumer behavior and the art of selling, and at the same time creating a difference to the society, is fulfilled. Talk about my past work experience, I have to admit that it was highly rewarding. I was working for one of the world's biggest insurance brokers. I performed feasibility study and impact analysis of clients' requirements. I prepared high level and detailed level design documents in consultation with the technical architects. I developed a portal to facilitate the business process of the client. I worked on dynamic rendering of accord forms for insurance industry and their functional testing. I conducted knowledge transfer sessions on insurance basics and clients' business for my teammates. I customized and integrated the mail server with my client's business process application. I was the single point of contact for the mail server integration team. I coordinated with on-site architects during my requirement gathering and design phase. Developed tools for reduction of cycle time and effort saving and business value addition to the client.